Okay folks, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics, continuation of the video. This meter right here, the yellow is going to measure amps, this is going to measure voltage. And what you do, we'll simulate this. I have a jump box, about 12.5 volts. This is your negative cable, this is your positive cable of your battery. Alright, and what we're going to do, the amp meter is set on 10 amps. And this scale right here, 10 amps DC, it's unfused. And of course the common, which is COMM, and it should have a little negative symbol, but 10 amps. All right, and we're going to continue the circuit. One, the red lead goes on the end of the load, and it could be your motor, it could be a solenoid, it could be a blower motor resistor, but this is electrical resistance. Okay, now we're going to show you what the amperage is. Oh, that's just my fan and telling me it's getting a little warm. I got 5.6 amps. All right, so that's electrical resistance. So about 2 goes into 12. All right, 6 times. That's about right. So it's about 2 ohms. It's getting hot. It's actually hot right now, because when amps flow, heat is created. All right, so I'm going to put it on hold, and I'm going to show you the voltage drop across it. Okay, the red meter on the left, once I get everything set up, is showing there's 11.3 volts voltage drop across it, and you have, turn on the back light, the yellow meter is the amps. All right, so we got about 6 going across that, and 12, so we're losing about 700 millivolts somewhere, but it's okay, you're getting the idea. We almost lost 99% of the voltage across that load. So the left meter was voltage, the red, and the right meter was yellow, and that's the amps. See, I'm going to hook it up again, and you can see it right there, right? Disconnected, nothing. There you go. So these two, the amp meter you put in series. So one, the wire goes up to here, through the meter, out the red lead, over to right here. All right, now I'm going to show you something interesting. We'll put it on hold again. Okay, now, you remember before the reading, right? Now look at the reading. It's negative. See the negative sign right there on the left? That means wherever your red lead of your multimeter is the negative side of your circuit. That's on voltage and amps, okay? See, I got the black hooked up to that side, which is coming from there, the black multimeter lead. The red multimeter is hooked to negative, and it's telling you. So when you're troubleshooting something, that negative sign is very important, because wires do shave together, rub, and things happen by just checking some basic voltage. I've had circuits that had like a 10 amp fuse blow, but actually we're running a 20 amp circuit. So of course the 10 amp circuit's going to blow, because the two wires fed together on the positive side and blew to 10 amp, and the poor tech was looking at the 10 amp side. All right, but I'll show you how to do all that later. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. All right, I'm going to put it on hold again. I'm going to show you if you hook the multimeter leads up for voltage backwards, what happens. Okay, once again, wherever the positive lead is, right here. Remember these little rings on here, or to exactly do that, stop your finger from slipping and touching that and getting electrocuted, especially on 120 circuits. So they're finger guards. Now watch. Okay, I'm going to hook it up right here to the negative of the battery. The multimeter now on the right is negative 56 because my amp meter is hooked to this. But my multimeter on the left is reading negative voltage. Once again, my multimeter lead is telling me I'm on the ground side, which I am. All right, so I hope you learned something there. Sometimes the actual symbol over here is very important. All right, whether it's amps or voltage, 20 volt scale, DC is what you're supposed to be on, and the amp scale is 10. Hopefully you can get meters out there in the 20 amp scale. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'm getting ready to show you the next continuation video of electricity and mechanical resistance. Thank you.